Hello everyone and welcome back to our phonics lesson. Today we learn family words. So now you listen and repeat after me. Ăn, 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 sun, ăn, run, ăn, fun, ăn, bun, ăn, ăn, mum, ăn, sun, ăn, gum, ăn, hum, at, nuts, at, cat, at, hat, at, bed, up, up, cup, up, pub, up, up, cup, up, tub, up, jump, up, fab, d, add, at, but, at, mud, ag, ug, bug, rug, jug, hug. It's the end of our lesson today. It's time to say goodbye. Bye bye.